How to make money selling courses and creating courses on Udemy. Are you passionate about something? Do you have something that you're interested in or that you can share with the world? Then why not make another source of income doing so? Today, I'll show you how you can profit from this ever-growing trend, this ever-growing digital golden age by sharing your expertise or passion with other people. Okay, let's jump in. So the first thing that I would do, or that you would do, is pick a niche. This is very important. This is probably the most important piece or part of the process, because there's a lot of things nowadays that people are talking about online. So having something to focus on is very important. So just think about something you're really passionate about. I'll give you a few examples. It could be business, entrepreneurship, computer, IT stuff, web design, academics, fitness and lifestyle, digital marketing, arts and craft, writing, and the list goes on from there. There's so many things to talk about, so pick one and focus on one niche at a time. And as you do it, you'll eventually find something you really like. So how much can you make selling courses on Udemy? You're probably wondering. Well, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $100,000 a year. This will all depend on the amount of effort, though, that you put in the beginning. So there's no guarantees that you'll make that much. Just like with anything in life, you probably could make as little as much or as much as you want doing it. It really will start with your mindset and how you think. It'll start with your goals and how much money you want to make and what you want to achieve. You'll be paid based on the amount of engagement in your content, and you'll receive about 30% of the revenue. This is on Udemy alone, but this will obviously depend on the platform that you choose to use. But in this example, we're talking about Udemy, so there you have it. If you don't know what to talk about in your courses, or if you're feeling a little bit lost on what to talk about, then you can simply ask your audience what they want to hear. The best way to do this is just to go to YouTube or go to Google, search for questions that people are asking. When you go there, you'll see that there's billions of people always searching on Google and finding answers to their questions every day. So you'll always have something to talk about. So just start with Google or YouTube and find research there, and that'll give you more confidence in what you're talking about and help you build that self-esteem and that confidence. Because at the end of the day, you're just answering people's questions. That's it. So just do that. Alright, you're probably wondering, what are some of the best platforms to start with? Well, here's a few. Udemy, which is the one we're talking about in this example, but there's also Skillshare, Teachable, Podia, or Thinkific. These are some great platforms that you can get started with today. So yeah, I guess my final take on this would be there's no guarantees. Obviously that you'll be making, six figures from doing this, but this will all depend on the amount of effort you put in and the amount of your goals and kind of how much you want to make. So, set those goals ahead of time so you can work towards those goals. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in more content like this, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, create cash flow, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.